welcome to Cool Orange Creators nature video. Today I'm going to make a video in my garden, and first I'm going to show you in the sauna that my dad made. So let's walk over to the sauna. It has a nice fence for the shower. So the shower's there, and here's the sauna door. It's tricky to see. It has a lock, but the lock's already opened. So here we go in the sauna. Here is in the sauna, and this is where the coal burns when you're in the sauna. You have to put water in it so it works and turn it on. And here is a window in the sauna where you can look outside. And here are two benches. The lower one's cold to cool down. We are still a little hot. And the higher one is the hot one. Up here is the skylight where you can see a beautiful green-leafed tree, but not in the winter. Then you get out of the sauna and there's the shower, which I showed you before in this video at the beginning, and the fence my dad made. Close the door and get off. Here's the sandbox, but we're working on to bring it somewhere else or break it down. Here is the tree where we climb in, and we are going to make swings there. We had one, but we're gonna make another one with it, so we have to reconstruct it. My garden is, well, a work garden, because my dad always does stuff in there, like he works on the sauna, the swing, and the treehouse. He is working very hard, but he can't wait till he's done. He made a balance beam where you can go on. Sorry, that's just a little joint. So this is the balance beam where you can go on, and it's actually a tree, and this is a unstable one, so you can go on it, but it's very unstable. You have to be very careful when you go on it. And here's a easy, simple balance beam. My dad only made balance beams. Here is the tree house, and there is a ladder here. My dad is making a little thingy there, and so you can get up on the ladder my dad made. Of course, because it's a tree house, my dad made it. Of course. Yeah, and then you can go up the ladder and down the ladder. Only the problem is the ladder's a little swiggly. Whenever you step on it, it kind of gets a little weird. Yeah, so here is here's the slide. It has lots of bugs on it now because of the rain. And you can go up here. Sorry for this, but this is gonna happen for a little bit. Yeah, this sometimes happens when a problem happens. Yeah. Better. Oh my gosh, that's better, right? You can see now. Yeah, good. So one crazy thing is that my mom found a squirrel skeleton of its head, and its tooth is almost coming out. And look here, all those flappy little thingies. And we also found this bone. Yeah, and this is the treehouse from On It. And in the treehouse you can walk around, and here's a little space next to the tree where you can go. And here's another place where you can go. Yeah, that's my brother. And here's the slide, which I'm about to go down. Whee! Okay. There's the barrel that my dad's working on, and oh, sorry for this again. Okay. I'm climbing up the slide. Okay, I'm up on the slide, and this time I'm not gonna go down the slide, but down the stairs. So, see ya when I'm down there. I'm gonna go down the stairs. Bye. And then I'll be right back. Got it? Because I'm gonna get you. I got down there, which might take a while. Don't mind what it's looking like. Yeah, and so my dad thought he had these old fences for the sauna, and he doesn't need them anymore. So he's making a little place under the treehouse. Yeah. And that's my video.